If you're wondering how to integrate Monday.com with PayPal, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily connect these two platforms to streamline your workflow and boost efficiency. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal a powerful alternative that might be a better fit for your needs, and how you can get an exclusive free trial just for watching this video. To get started, integrating Monday.com with PayPal isn't an out of the box feature. But with the right tools, you can easily automate tasks and manage payments directly within your Monday.com workspace. The first thing you'll need is a third-party automation tool like Zapier or Integromat, which acts as the bridge between Monday.com and PayPal. Next thing, let's focus on setting up Zapier. After creating an account on Zapier, click Make a Zap. Here, you'll choose PayPal as your trigger app, select the specific action you want to trigger, like a successful payment, and then set up your Monday.com action, like creating a new item in your board with payment details. It's simple to connect, and Zapier guides you through the process step by step. The third thing to keep in mind is PayPal's permissions and settings. PayPal's API might need access to specific data like transaction details or payment status, so ensure that your PayPal account is set up correctly to share this information with Zapier. This ensures that all the data is transferred accurately to Monday.com. Once your trigger and action are set, it's time to test the integration. You can do this by making a test payment through PayPal to see if it automatically adds the details to Monday.com. If it works as expected, you're ready to go live with the integration. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is automation limits. Monday.com and PayPal are both powerful tools, but keep in mind that PayPal's integration with Monday.com through tools like Zapier is not perfect. It can sometimes be slow or require adjustments, depending on the complexity of your workflows. If you're dealing with high volumes of transactions or need more robust functionality, this might not be the most scalable solution. Next thing, let's talk about the limitations of Monday.com itself. While Monday.com is fantastic for project management and team collaboration, its native capabilities for handling transactions or payment details are not as strong as platforms designed for financial management. This is why integrating it with PayPal is useful, but still requires a lot of customization. If you don't need deep financial reporting or automation, this workaround might be enough, but if you want to manage everything within a single platform, you'll run into some hurdles. Now, I promised an alternative that might be a better fit. If your goal is to automate and manage financial transactions more seamlessly, I recommend checking out another tool that not only integrates with PayPal, but also offers a more user-friendly experience for financial workflows. And the best part? You can get a special extended free trial through the link in the description. In conclusion, while integrating Monday.com with PayPal through Zapier or Integromat is a solid solution for most small to medium-sized businesses, if you're looking for a more streamlined and powerful experience for managing payments and tasks, there are better alternatives available. I've linked those alternatives in the description below, along with exclusive trials so you can try them out for free. Don't miss the chance to improve your workflow. Click the link and check them out today.